Hey guys, today we're going to be making a snack that you can eat while watching a movie at home. So, we're going to make a popcorn trail mix. Before we make that, we need to find the ingredients we need. So think about this for a second. What would we want in popcorn trail mix? Well, first, I've got a bag of microwavable popcorn. Popcorn we can put in a microwave. But next we need parts for trail mix. Take a second and think about what food do we need for trail mix. Pause the video and take a second. Alright, so when you have your ingredients for your trail mix figured out, drop them below in the comments. I want to see what you guys are going to use for your trail mix. Me, I'm going to use some pretzels, some goldfish to add a cheesy flavor, and of course, M&Ms to add a sweet flavor. So, the first part to making our trail mix is I have to pop the popcorn. So, I am going to take the bag off the popcorn, and then I'm going to throw that in the trash. Then, I'm going to take my popcorn over to the microwave. Next, I'm going to put the popcorn in the microwave. Now, some microwaves have a button with the word popcorn on it. Other boxes of popcorn might tell you a certain time. It's usually between 2 to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm going to hit popcorn and then start. Now we wait for the microwave to popcorn. Alright, so after you hear that ding from the microwave, we are going to open it up and grab it by the top of the bag. Make sure you grab the top because it is very, very hot. We are then going to pull each side and open it up. This is where we got to be very careful because it's very hot. You will see steam coming out of the top of the bag. We can assemble our trail mix. So I'm going to take my popcorn and pour it into a bowl. I then throw this into the trash. I can then add in 1 cup of all of my different ingredients. So first, I poured in my M&Ms into a measuring cup, and I'm going to just go ahead and pour those in. As I shake it around here, the popcorn fell out, but that's okay. Next, I'm going to use my 1 cup to measure some goldfish. That looks about right. I'm going to pour those into the bowl as well. And then last, this is going to be very hard for me to measure the pretzels in a cup. So I can fill up the cup with pretzels like this until it's full. Or with something like this, we can just take a couple handfuls and throw that in as well. Alright, we're going to try that again without making a mess. So we're going to mix this all up. And if you look here, we've got some popcorn mixed in with all of our different ingredients to make some popcorn trail mix. Now, the best part about making our own snacks is getting to enjoy them and getting to eat them while we watch our movie. You guys have worked so hard this semester while we've been out of school, and I appreciate all the hard work you've done. You guys did a great job reading holes and getting your quizzes done. Now it's time to get your reward. Have fun making your snack and enjoy the movie Holes. Bye.